More signs of a weakening consumer, and that's giving losses pretty much across the board today with the S&P. Its fourth losing session in a row. The Nasdaq now in negative territory for the year, but the major concerns are around economic growth and trade. And the latest data point was earlier this morning, consumer confidence survey, which came in much weaker than expected. In fact, the lowest number in about 3.5 years. This followed a series of weak data last week, including manufacturing and retail sales. And also, as we mentioned last week, weak guidance from Walmart, even though the stock rallying today, weighing on consumers. So the biggest question is whether the consumer, which has been the strength of the economy the last several years, is the consumer now weakening? Banks are lower on recession fears today. You've got Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan all down more than about 1%. And all eyes are going to be on tomorrow, NVIDIA's report, earnings, and guidance. ES option data. Today's expiring 5,900 and 5,925 puts, way below the market, huge volume. Also this Friday's, which is also the end of month, 5850, 5900, 5950 puts, all with significant volume. ES implied volatility, which has sat near about 10% for quite a while, now up to almost 19% this Friday. In the last 2 days, trading volumes in equities has surged well over 8 million contracts, futures, and options. And put volume remains very heavy now, stands nearly at 78% of open interest. E-mini Nasdaq short-dated options, almost 80%. Those options expiring within 5 days. Bitcoin, we've spoken about this tight channel that it has traded in for a while, and it has broken out, and this time to the downside. Bitcoin down about $6,500 today, or about 7%. Micro Bitcoin futures here at the CME, about 120,000 contracts today. And Bitcoin Friday futures are now available for trading. And just as a fact point here, the surge in crypto volumes here at the CME, the exchange reached an all-time high in January, with volumes totaling approximately 285 million.